Hey everybody, it's Tammy with On Point Accents and Designs. Welcome in. I am so excited. Today, my Transpro Plus mug press arrived from Pro World. So we're going to unbox this. It arrived fast. I ordered this on Sunday and today is Tuesday. That is fast. So let's unbox it and look at it. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. And I cut it open. I'm dangerous with knives and scissors. I've told you guys that I always cut myself, but I didn't this time. So inside is a packing slip and it tells you exactly what's in the box. And there's a piece of cardboard here. All right, and so inside, it's too heavy for me to turn it so you can see. I'll just take it out and show you. The cord, user manual, a bunch of styrofoam, big pieces of styrofoam. This is a nice machine. You get 2 mug tumbler samples, so I assume that's what that is. I don't know yet, but we'll look. The 15-ounce tumbler attachment. And more styrofoam. And let's see. I am going to figure out how to, I'm too short to take this off. I'm going to have to put it in the floor to take it out. So just let me figure out how to do this. All right, it's heavy. So I'm going out of range, camera range for a second. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. I probably should have waited for my husband to get home, but I'm impatient. I want to see it. I know you guys want to see it. All right, so here we go. I'm lifting it out of the box. You know, back in frame. More styrofoam, guys. More styrofoam. Just what the world needs. More styrofoam. Ugh. 1 second. Yeah. I really should have waited for help. But really, who wants to wait for help when you got a brand new machine you want to look at? And then I didn't realize, but a heat safe glove comes with it. Cool. So let me throw all this styrofoam back in the box. Back in the box there. And all right, so here it is. Let me tilt you guys down so you can actually see it. You can see it now. Yay. You probably can't see the top of my head, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is you get to see this. So here it is. It is from Pro World. They delivered really, really quickly. I ordered this Sunday morning before I went to church. Like 6:30 in the morning, I was up ordering a mug press. So I'm very excited because all I had was the little mug press that came with my heat press, and it wasn't like a nice heat press. It was just one of these heat presses I got off Amazon, and the only reason I kept using it was for the mug attachment. So here we have the mug attachment, and in here, I'm going to bring you over so you can see. Attached already is the 20-ounce, 30-ounce tumbler attachment. All right, so here it is. Here's the front of it. It's metal. And then right there you see is your temperature guide and control panel. Has a great big sturdy handle. Love that. And already attached is the tumbler attachment. I think I'm going to have to do a little bit of adjusting here. But let me turn it so you can see, because I'm not going to take this off right now. But look at that. You can do a 20-ounce or a 30-ounce in there. And then here are the little adjuster knobs are back here. back here. I haven't used it yet, so you want to adjust it. And then, so the 30-ounce tumbler attachment came with it, so you could do 30 or 20, and then the 15 came with it. And I do 15-ounce mugs a lot, so I specifically was looking for one that came with a 15-ounce mug attachment, so I'm glad that came with it. And then, of course, cannot wait to do this part. And let's see, in the box was heat safe glove, the cord, instructions, and then 2 tumblers should have been in here. So let's look. Oh, yep, that's what it is. So it's a metal straw and a little cleaner. And then a tumbler, and it doesn't say, but I'm assuming it's a 20-ounce because it's a lot smaller than this. So you would slide it in like that. Now remember, you would take this out, of course. And I don't have it hooked up or anything, so you would just slide it in, and then you would close it. And yeah, that's about it. So again, this is the Transpro Plus. Let me back it up. Oh, it is heavy, so sorry about that. So it's the Transpro Plus mug press from Pro World. It contains a 20 and 30-ounce all-in-one attachment, and then the 15-ounce attachment. It comes with 2 tumblers. 2 of the skinny tumblers. This is a 20-ounce tumbler. And it has a little top that goes with it. And then the metal straw and a cleaner. So 2 of them for you to practice with before you start making them to sell or give away. So let me put that back in the box. But I know I'm going to do one today, so I'll come back and show you the video of me doing it. And then it has the heat safe glove. Sorry for all the noise. I know some of you guys hate the noise. And papers rattling. But here is, they only give you one glove. Which with my small hands, I have tiny hands. This thing won't even, my fingers won't even fit in it. It's so huge. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. That is just too funny. Way too big for me, but it'll keep me from getting burned. So yeah, that's all there is to the unboxing, and I will come back and we'll do another video of me actually using the machine and give you my opinion of it. I am already super impressed with how quickly they delivered this thing. Yeah, so I'm super impressed. Let me put that down. With how fast they delivered it. Like I said, I ordered it Sunday morning before I went to church. Like, I was up at 6 a.m. I don't know what time I ordered it, but probably before 7 a.m. I ordered it, and it's here today on Tuesday. It arrived right around noon, and I can't wait to use it and then come back and show you guys how to use it and give you my opinion on it. But so far, it's super sturdy. You can buy all kinds of different attachments for it. So I'm excited about that, excited to use it, excited to show you guys more about it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos.